So the front slide motor on my Jayco Seneca Super C failed while the front slide was deployed. This is how I manually retracted it.
So there are these two levers, I guess you would call them. And to release the brake, that way and that way. So it's just a real quick little movement. And that's inside this jacket here. It doesn't have to be taken off. You can feel it to engage and then to release. So I got the 1-inch opening wrench, and you can use anything that will go over this square tube here. So, but yeah, it's just counterclockwise to open it, and then clockwise to close it. But I mean, it is heavy, so it's going to take a while.
It's definitely a workout, but it gets the RV in drivable condition until the motor can be replaced. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.